Good morning. Good morning. So this week, you're going to be working on a few things that will teach me a little bit more about you. Today's assignment is what I call a student survey. So it's a survey where you are going to answer questions about you and what kind of learner you are and what you feel confident doing and what you think you need more help doing. Adelina, do you have a question?
I actually just did the survey right now.
I'm glad. Hey, can I ask you a question? When you clicked on it from the Teams assignment, did it ask you to sign in? Or did it just take you to the form?
What it did when I went to the assignments, it showed me the classes and I clicked on your class.
Yep.
And it took me to the survey and I clicked on it and then
it took you right to questions you could answer. Yep. Great. So let me show our other friends that are here today how to get to their assignments. Okay, I'm going to share my screen so you can see what you can see. Does everybody see my team screen? All right. In order to go to your assignment, and I'd rather you not go to it yet, I'd rather you watch me take you step by step to your team's assignment, and then I'll give you time to go work on it, okay? Right here on the left, you're going to see the little backpack. It says assignments. I click on assignments. Now, guess what? Yours looks a little different than mine because you're a student and I'm a teacher. But you're going to click on Ms. Kangas's class to do my homework. Does everyone see this box that says Monday? What's the day of the week? Today's Monday. So you're going to click on Monday back to school survey. Now, what I want to point out is the due date. Today is not the 28th. Today is Monday the 24th. You have all week to complete this assignment. Now, you will always have time during class after I'm all done with my instruction. You'll have time to work on our class assignment. So instead of letting it pile up at the end of the week, when I'm all done talking at you and we get off, you could go ahead and complete that assignment. You'll have time before you go to math and before you go to art. So after you go to assignments, you click on Ms. Kangas's class. You're going to click Monday. Opens up. Here's what you see. This assignment is worth 5 points. It's important that you complete these assignments so I can give you 5 points. I don't like giving zeros. That hurts your grade. So make sure you complete these. Here are the directions for today's assignment. If you're a student who's doing the paper packet, you will also have a back to school survey with questions all about you, but it's on paper rather than on Teams. So that's okay as well. Here's what it says. This form may ask you to sign in with your username and password. So if you click right here on back to school survey, not right now, but when I'm done, it may take you to the sign in page. That's okay. Just use your school username, first name, period, last name at uniongapschool.org. And then remember your password's always your library number. Okay. So to do the assignment, you're going to click on the back to school survey. That's right here, this link. Answer each question honestly and completely. That means I should not see one-word answers. You're in 4th grade. So I expect some well-written sentences telling me about you. And when you're done with the survey, it's going to have a submit button. Here's what's cool. I can get on the forms and I get to see all of your responses. Let's see what it looks like. It's going to open up and you're going to see forms, back to school survey. You're going to tell me your full name. Please give me your last name as well. What is your birthday? I am happiest when. My favorite after school activity is my best school subject. So what do you like learning in school? What's your best class? Your top 3 goals for this year. This one you're going to have to think about. What do you want to get better at this year? What do you want to do different this year? What are you hoping to work on this year? one good thing about last year. What's something you did last year in school that you felt was really good? Like it's a good memory you have. And this one's really important for me. I learn best when. When do you do your best learning? This box gives you space to type as much as you want. The box will get bigger as you type more, okay? When you're all done filling in all 8 questions, you're going to click this submit button. That sends all of your information back to me, okay? And then guess what? You're not done. After you click the submit button on your form, you have to come back here to your assignment page where it says Monday, back to school survey. And you're going to have a turn in button over here to click, telling me you did the survey and submitted it. Understand?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Malia, do you have a question?
So this morning when I went on there, it said my brother's name.
So what you need to do, since you guys might be sharing, I'm so glad you asked this. Such a good question, Malia. If you're sharing a device with someone else at school, what our computers and tablets and phones do, they're so smart. They have these really big brains and they can remember you. So what you have to do when you click on something like that, but it brings up brother or sister's name, next to that, there's 3 little dots and you want to click on that and sign them out. It's important that whoever's using the device and it's not their turn anymore, that they actually sign out because then you can sign in.
He got his own computer, so we already got him off.
Okay, so go ahead and just when we're done today, make sure he's signed out of your computer and then it'll allow you to sign in and it should remember you from now on. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Does anyone else have questions about your assignment today? Here's what I want you to do. I want you to be really honest with me, telling me about you and what kind of learner you are, what you liked about last year that was the best about last year, because this helps me as your teacher help you. So when we get off, you will have time before you go to art class. On Monday, you get to go see Miss Tirado for art. And that should be on your calendar. So you should be able to click on your art class from your team's calendar when it's time. I think that class starts at 9:15 or 9:30. I think Miss Tirado probably put it on. I can check. Let me see. Yes, you will get on at about 9:15. You'll get on with Ms. Tirado. Just join her class just like you did ours, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so your assignment today, you will have time, even after art, before you go to math with Mr. Ross, you will have time to do your survey. So by the end of today, I'd really like to see everybody's survey turned in and completed. And then tomorrow, if you do come get the paper packets, that's fine. You can do your survey that's in the packet. Same kind of questions as what you would see on TV. All right. Everything's due Friday. If you have paper packets, you don't have to bring it Friday. You can bring it next week when you come for the new packet. But for your team's assignments, I have everything due Friday by 3:30, okay? All right, any more questions before we hop off?